In today's video, we are going to explore Apache Netbean. So in the previous video, we already discussed on how to install Apache Netbean and JDK 11. So now it's time to use Apache Netbean to write our first Java program. So all you need to do, just double click your Apache Netbean icon. So in my case, I already installed it and I have already opened the Apache Netbean. Right, so all you need to do, just click File, New Project. Right, so as you can see here, there are a few options: Java with Maven, Java with Gradle, and Java with N. So Maven, Gradle, and N are basically external library, a supplementary library on top of the Java JDK. So each library have their own purposes, right? And for example, in the case of Maven, you can create a Java front-end application. So meaning that Maven is more suitable for web-based applications. So if you want to create a web-based application using Java, then you can use Java with Maven. Okay, Gradle and also N. So in my case, we are going to use Java with N because Java with N is the lightest of all the library. Okay, it doesn't have a lot of external library, so our program will be a little bit simpler. Okay, all you need to do, just click Java with N and then choose Java application, right? And then click next. Right, remember I asked you to create a folder in the previous video. So in this case, we are going to put all the project inside that folder. So in my case, I put the folder on my desktop, so this will become my root folder. So all my Java code will be in here. So I'm going to click open. So as you can see here, desktop Java. So now you need to name this project. So in this case, I'm going to name this as Java 1. Okay, so this will be my Java 1 project. So the name of the project is Java 1. So for these two text boxes, please untick it because we are not going to use these two options. Okay, and then click finish. So what happens is that now Netbean is going to create a new folder inside our root folder. Right, so just to show you, so now this is my main folder Java. So now I have a new folder called Java 1. Right, so when you open the folder, you can see MB project, src, build.xml, and manifest.mf. So all our Java code will be inside src. Src stands for source. So here, source packages, right? So these are the libraries. So in this case, Java 1 is using Java JDK 11, right? So this is our main library. Okay, so now we are going to create our first Java class inside Java project. So all you need to do, right click source packages, click new, choose Java class. Right click source packages, new Java class. Right, so name your Java class. Remember I told you in class before that the name of the physical file must be equivalent to the name of the class. So in this case, I'm going to create a class called mycode. So you can see here, it will create mycode.java. Click finish, and there you are. So this will be your first Java code. Alright, so you can see here mycode.java. So if you open your folder, you can see now I have a folder called src. Inside src, I have a file called mycode.java. Okay, now let's write our first code. So there are a few tips and tricks that you can use in Netbean. Okay, for example, now we need public static void main. So you don't have to write the lengthy statement one by one. All you can do is just psvm and then tab. Okay, I repeat myself. psvm public static void main and then press tab. Okay, now you got your public static void main. Right, now you got your public static void main. Okay, now we want to display to the screen. So system.out.println. So system.out.println. Right, welcome. Okay, you can write it word by word like that, or all you need to do just SOUT tab. Okay, SOUT tab. Okay, SOUT tab. Then you got system.out.println. Okay, so welcome to my first Java code. Right, so save the file and then you can run the file either by pressing F6 or just push this green button over here, right? F6 or push the green button, right? So it will ask you want to which, let's say if you have multiple Java code inside this project, it will ask you which one that will become the main class. Main class is a class or a file that have the void main. Okay, main class is the class or the file that have the void main method. So in this case, I have my code, so this will become my main class. So choose OK. Wait for Netbean to compile your code, and then you got that. Welcome to my first Java code. Right, congratulations for writing your first code. See you again in the next video. Bye.